I do want this. This, I'll take it. Well, looky. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hermosa Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, if you're looking for a pre-cut, pre-styled body wave wig that you don't want or need a curl iron for, make sure you stay tuned for this one. Now, we had to do some things, okay? But the hot tools were the least of my worries, okay? It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because your girl's gonna be partying for the weekend holiday. So I gotta hydrate before I can sip. But as always, if you got some wine, sip it up for me. Thank you. Before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so this unit comes to us from Hermosa Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Your girl got to get ready and get out the house because it's the last day of school, but there's a lot of after school activities that they are involved in, so I got to get ready for those. Y'all know I cut my hair off, okay, but I want to wear a wig today, and I want to make it easy with the pre-style joint, okay? Body wave pre-style, y'all know that's new for me, okay? I don't really do silky wigs on my head, but apparently I don't have to curl it, so you know, we'll see what this is hitting for once I put it on. This is pre-cut, pre-plucked. The hairline looks a little thick just because of how close they cut the lace back on their hairline. They did add in that lace tape, which I know I'm not really a fan of, but I'm gonna still show y'all how to, you know, rock it or whatever before I take it off. So, but first let me tint the hairline of my lace. I know for most of these brands it's bleach on, bleach off, but I do see this is a little better than expected. So, you know, okay, Hermosa. I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. I do have a little tan, so you know, it's time to... Hello? Oh, wait a minute. They got lace on the back. I haven't seen that in a while. Cut that off like that. It does have the combs in my wig, but y'all know I'm not a comb girl, okay? So we're not trying to rock those. I left the band where it was at, how they had it. I'm pretty sure this is a 7x5, but that lace is going ear to ear. Maybe it's a 13x4. What is this? Hermosa. It is a 13x4 pre-cut, so it goes ear to ear. Somebody had commented on my last closure pre-cut video how they needed the lace to go all the way from ear to ear. Here you go, and it's pre-cut. That's looking real Planet of the Apes-ish. Nasty human. We gonna work it out anyway. For the tape, let me show y'all if you want to wear that on your wig, how you do it. It already comes installed. You should be able to just peel it off. If it's on there too long, it'll kind of set on the paper. So you kind of gotta peel it down. Don't worry, it's not a learning curve. It just takes a little maximum effort. I don't want it on my hair. Do not get this on your hair. Pull it off like that. Let me bring it forward and place it there. Mine is kind of pulling back a little bit, so I probably have to use a new piece of tape. They did send me some extra in here. This one is probably just too old because it was sitting in the box. I mean, she holding at the top, the bottom not so much, because like I said, it was already kind of peeling back when I put it on. But there we go. It is a little shiny through the lace, so you will need to dull that down with your powder or lace tint spray, whatever you have. Now to take it off and to change it, you just peel it off like that. Because the hair is already pre-styled, I don't need to worry about curling it, but I do need to focus on this hairline. So first I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse to mold my hairline. It's a mold, not a hold, and I'm gonna try to swish the hairs without plucking anything. It may not work. I still may need to pull some out, but we gonna see first. So they sent me a brush. I got a wig cap, I got a band, I got some lashes, some makeup brushes. Okay, I can give those to my daughter. And I got some moo cow nails, okay? Everything besides a brush. That's okay, I have an extra brush. I think I'm gonna do a side part. This is a 13x4. So it's 13 inches from ear to ear, 4 inches of lace to the back. I can feel that track over there. Let me not, oh wait, no, the track is over here. I'm wrong. I will need to pluck some of this hair out because this hairline is just, it's too thick for me. Normally Normally for the frontal, you want the density to be a little less than the rest of the hair. It's a natural density, but the density is pretty much the same all over. Okay, I don't want the wig look. Let's just pull it out. What the heck? I barely did anything and it was already pulling out. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but goodness. And I will need to pull some hair out that parting space because that is thick-a-rooney. Pull this out. Am I pulling hair or just breaking the hair? I don't know. No, I'm pulling the hair. Okay. I would definitely say if you want your hairline to look a certain way, this is not going to be ready out the pack. But if you don't mind how it looks when you take it out the pack, then by all means, rock your wig, okay? I'm hoping I don't get a lot of shedding when I do the actual comb through. I'll flatten that over. Can't put my wax stick, so I'm gonna use a little bit of grease. Not a lot, so I don't want it to be super shiny. Surprisingly, the side of my wig is laying pretty flat for this to be a 13x4. But I still want to spray the front down. And this hair over here is a little bit too perfect. I don't want to be doing this right now, Hermosa. I feel like someone forgot to pluck my wig. That's what I think. Let me just cut these ones a little shorter so I can have some wispies right here in the front. I mean, I guess it's a good thing I don't gotta worry about the curling part because that's already done. I'm gonna use my melt spray. This lace should melt fairly decent just because of how it's looking without the melt spray. Let me just flatten this down one more time. Let me brush this back before I wrap it down. Let me just put some spray right here to hold this down. Just brush this down. Don't worry, I'm not using a hard swoop. All right, let's go ahead and tie this down. I'm tired of working on this hairline. Let me wrap it down. Okay, let me go ahead and do my makeup. I found my wax stick, so before I take this off, let me just put it on top here. Can brush that out, bring that down. I got all these flyaways in my face. Ooh, sticky, sticky, icky, icky, icky. Bring it down, bring it down. It looks good without my glasses, so I'm hoping it looks good with the frames. Okay, not bad, not bad. I'm gonna brush those out a bit though. They're a little crunchy looking, and I don't want the crunch. Gotta be real careful. It's real thick over there. Let me just cut this one. Brush these out. Ooh, that's pretty. The ends are a little scraggly, so I'm just gonna trim those off a bit. Put a little shape right here. And just clip this up right there. Take my hairspray. And just brush this because it's not flowing how I want it to. I want that old school glam look. Use my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder again. Blend this all together. Get my contour, make sure this is melted because it is not yet. This is my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. You can use whatever contour or lace products you have. Let me just straighten this a bit. I don't want it to be so tight. Just a smidge. Take that out. Comb the rest together. I think we will be done. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. It came together, but I must say, Hermosa, come, sit, let's have a chat, okay? The hairline was not hairlining, okay? It was thick. I told you, Planet of the Apes had nothing on me. I don't want that. They either forgot to pluck my hairline or they just not plucking no more. And I don't like that, Hermosa. Okay, I need the hairline to be a lot more plucked than what you gave me. I had to do a little bit more work than I would have liked to for this wig to look this good. Now the curling, this, I'll take it. I can give it the pre-curl style. I like that. But the hairline made it work. I will say the shedding as well, I think it's because how tiny these knots are. They blend real nice because they're tiny and they throw some bleach on them joints. They're going to degrade them knots even more. Okay, so they pull out a lot easier than I was expecting them to. We want the hair to stay in the wig. I know it's hard because, you know, we ask for a lot. We want bleach knots and pre-plug hairlines. We want small knots that are easy to pluck. But when you add all that onto a wig, I have learned that what we thought we wanted, we don't need. Okay, we, the wig bays, need to pick our poison. Okay, know exactly what you're asking for before you ask it. If they give it to us and it doesn't work out, we can't blame the brand. So yeah, maybe reinforce those knots a little bit better and we'll be in business. You do need to tame your curls. Y'all see mine is kind of doing some weird stuff back there. Gotta brush them out and put them back in place. But that's pretty much all I got. Did I get her together? I think so too. Shout out one more time to Hermosa Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.